meteorologist Michael Fish.
Hey, thanks for being with us tonight. Now, no severe weather threat here tonight. Most of the sprinkles rain moving on out of our southern counties, but what I was watching earlier this evening, watch south of Lake Geneva. This is a Wisconsin-Illinois border. There's Kenosha. Watch this. Probably some sort of couplet. It looked like a couplet to me. Quite a bit of gate-to-gate shear. That may have been a tornado that touched down through parts of McHenry into Lake County, Illinois. So we're going to have to watch to see if there's any sort of confirmation. If you do hear that on the news, you saw it here first, tracked its way on through, and is now pretty much out over Lake Michigan, but still powerful storm there. But that's where we'll keep the severe weather threat tonight. Now, let's talk about summer and all the daylight. I know we didn't see that much sun today. We have the most daylight of the year today. Actually, the sun going to be up for 15 hours and 33 minutes, which means tomorrow your day gets shorter. Don't worry, I'm not going to talk about that anymore. All right, let's talk temperature. 77. That's what our average high should be. And a lot of us not even close to that today, especially with the marine layer hanging on. We had a stratus deck. It was ugly in a lot of spots. I know it wasn't a wash at least, but we had the fog and, of course, probably still dealing with that along Lake Michigan. I think we're going to see similar conditions to that again for tomorrow because bringing in a southeast wind. And look at our temperature, 60 Manitowoc, 61 in Sturgeon Bay. Now notice these 60s where you're probably seeing some fog at times. I want you to see this as well. Dew points, 60s. So you meet those two temperatures and you have light winds and a stable atmosphere, that's where you start developing that fog. I think that's what we're going to see again. I mean, look at even Wausau's dew point at 65. So inland, you don't have to drop far to see more fog again as the night goes on. Now, satellite radar, weak little low pressure was rolling on through today, bringing a couple little sprinkles, a shower in Sheboygan and Fond du Lac, but those have pretty much ended. You still might be seeing a stray sprinkle or two in those southern counties, but that's going to end as our night goes on here. So here we are for Sunday. There's going to be a slight chance of an afternoon shower or storm, but most of your day is going to be fine except for the fog. There's a low pressure out to the west. It's a slow mover, but eventually it gets here late Sunday night, especially into Monday. So there goes that low, bringing the rain with it. And notice most of our night quiet. Watch most of the day tomorrow. I'm going to put my finger over the area and most things out to the west. So most of your day is going to be all right. Even most of your evening might be all right, but late as we go overnight into Monday, that's where we could start seeing more shower and thunderstorm development. So as far as the rest of our night, we're going to be clearing out areas of fog, 53 degrees. For your Sunday, fog gradually lifting, at least inland. If you live by Lake Michigan, that may not happen. 77, but cooler by the lake. Chance of storms mainly late Sunday night and 58 Monday. Occasional showers, storms, 77 degrees. And once again, probably looks cooler by the lake. Here's a look at our next 10 days. Another chance of a shower or two Tuesday going into Wednesday. Thursday will dry it out, and then maybe next weekend, feeling more like summer, which at this point, Cassandra, boy, do we deserve.